reviewing one of the top travel sandals of all time. Our Travel Fashion Girl readers love these sandals, and they love them so much that I had to get them myself to test them out too. Without further ado, those sandals are the Aerosoles Conclusion Gladiator Sandal. These are hands down one of our readers' favorite sandals of all time. Aerosoles are a timeless brand. They've been around forever. They're known for their comfort, their durability, and in addition to that, they're also really price friendly as well. I love them because they're affordable and you can buy them online and also in stores, discount stores in the US as well, and get them at a great price. These sandals have an ultra soft footbed. As you can see, I'll try to get a little bit closer so you can see that really soft footbed. It feels like a little cushion when you're walking, so they're extremely comfortable. In addition to that, they have a slight, very slight arch support right here. So if you need something more sturdy, if you have back issues or if you have foot issues, then I'd recommend you consider something with a little bit more arch support, like the Neo Sabrina sandals, which I have in a different review, and you can check that out separately. But if you need moderate to minimal support, the Aerosoles Conclusion Gladiators are fantastic. They're available in a wide variety of colors and styles, but I like the black leather snake. That's my favorite one because it's a neutral, it's black, but it also adds a little bit of fun to the shoe, to a neutral shoe. It also has silver hardware here on the side, so I really like those little details. That's great from a comfort shoe brand. You know, comfort does not have to be hideous. You can find a great balance between comfort and fashion if you just have a little bit of look. So here we found the Aerosole Conclusion Gladiators. They have an adjustable strap right over here, so you can secure them around your ankle, ensuring that you have the support that you need. A couple of the other popular colors from our readers, they love the white snake, so it's basically the same one but in white, and they also love the navy as well. Of course, you can get this in a solid black, in a tan. I actually think the tan is one of the most popular colors. So for neutrals, black shoes aren't the only way to have a neutral shoe. Tan's also a great color, but I couldn't say no to the black snake, so I really like them. The soles, they have a rubber sole, which helps obviously to have a secure grip when you're walking, and that way it'll help to provide stability for you, comfort, keeping your feet, providing some protection between your feet and the ground, and also allow you to maneuver through different surfaces with ease. So big plus, really happy with the Aerosole Conclusion Gladiators. They're cute, they're comfortable, and they are a great price too. So thank you so much, Travel Fashion Girl readers, for recommending these. My name is Alex with TravelFashionGirl.com. Hopefully you've enjoyed this quick review of one of the best travel sandals of all time, the Aerosoles Conclusion Gladiator. Thank you for tuning in. Please go ahead and give this video a like, and also go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know what your favorite travel sandal is for summer. Thank you so much. Safe and stylish travels.